Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going down the woods again. She's a bit more running, so we can't really give her over half throttle still, but I think I'll go a little bit faster today. So yeah, for you that haven't seen the bike, that's the bike, but you probably see it in the last video if you watch that one. But we'll be down the woods soon. Right, so we're in the woods now. We'll get riding. Dodge. Oh my days. Getting a bit carried away with myself. That is so fun, but I nearly come off. Slid out the back wheel, a bit too much acceleration. But I thought she was filthy last video, but look. No. Look at the mud on the engine and the wheel. Oh, she is filthy this video. She's filthy. What she's made for. Let's get her a bit more filthy.
Harley from the Ultimate Expenditure today, coming through.
Jesus. Meant to be running it in. Was that flat out?
Huh?
Was that flat out? No.
No, that's like half full.
No way.
Yes, it was.
Bloody hell. You was ripping. I thought that was like flat out. Yeah, that's definitely right for him. He's going to get one, I think, he said to me. I'm most sure he said he's getting one. So we're back home now. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video.